Oftentimes I get questions in my DMs, and this particular one came in the form of video. I did ask this person if I can share it. I'm sharing this in hopes that it helps you as well.
Some good advice or just your input or what you think about it. So here it goes. I've been on the real estate journey for quite a while. It took me about 3 years, 2.5, 3 years before I made my first money. I'm not a guru or anything. I haven't closed like millions upon millions of dollars worth of deals or nothing like that. But I want to kind of take things to another level, stepping out of my comfort zone, also kind of getting my name out there. I also want to basically teach people in my community, help people who's just trying to get started in real estate and don't know anything about it, not even, the first step or whatever. All right, here's my question. I get a lot of people who ask me, just in my community, right? Basic questions. Man, it look like you can make a lot of money in real estate. It looks like you could do this, you could do that. Man, how do I get started? Thinking about starting call it a workshop. Just a basic workshop. And I feel like I have something to offer people, and I'm scared though, because I feel like I'm going to look silly because I'm not at that level to be teaching somebody something.
Here we go. Woo!
That's the thing. So let's get rid of the whole I'm not a guru thing. And I'm going to tell you one thing. A lot of gurus ain't even gurus. Just saying.
And the truth shall set you free.
Whole thought that you have to have a certain amount of followers. Guru, someone that has been able to attain something, most of the times means they're just a good marketer, right? They just know how to market things and make things look real shiny. There are several coaches right now as we speak that are on Instagram, that are on TikTok, that have really shiny and beautiful websites and stuff. They can't even navigate you and direct you out of a box. What you have to do is you have to talk to yourself. You have to mentally psych yourself into whatever you need to do. Whether it's you need to play some music, like I like to play some DMX, or I will play some Tupac. I can't deny it. I'm a straight rider. You don't want to mess with me.
Oh no! You better hype yourself up.
I will hype myself up into wherever I need to be in order to do the video, the post, shout, right? Asking someone to be a guest on the podcast, or asking someone to come on my YouTube channel or on my Instagram lives, whatever it is. You have to speak to yourself, and you got to believe it in yourself first. All right. If the question is whether or not you should be doing a workshop, you're asking the wrong people. You ask the people whether or not you should do a workshop. And the fact that the people are already acknowledging you as, a quote unquote, either expert or just acknowledging your expertise gives you the okay to go ahead and do it.